Okay, it's time to get started with the elimination. What if you were going by? Alright guys, today's prizes are air because we didn't have any other options because, I don't know. Bubble Plush had immunity, so she's safe. Next safe with 0 votes are Clarinet, Kirby Lightbulb, and Upside Down Winner. I messed up. Lightbulb Kirby actually has 17,002,000 votes, but he's safe. Lego Goomba was out with infinity votes. I put you guys into 2 separate teams to capture a bird. But first, make your team name.
Is spelled T-E-A-M space N-A-M-E. Do you want?
I think we should call our team Team Bottle of Water. Yay, we got the bird! Viewers, vote for these contestants for you. If you want to save, you can vote as many times as you want.